So everybody's been asking me why I haven't been posting thick scat, why I've just been posting surround content, and today I'm here to tell you guys the truth. This is my 2019 wide body Scatpack, and yes, it's tuned full bolt-on on E85 gas, and that is exactly why my car is having issues. Let me explain. About a week ago, I did get a misfire code on the car, so the check engine light popped up, and basically what I did was I took it to the dealership and they diagnosed it. They said that I had a misfire on a specific cylinder, and at the very end more codes popped up. So when I took it into the dealership, they diagnosed it, told me the problems, told me that it was an oil pressure sensor, and so I replaced it. And when they replaced it, what happened was new codes popped up, right? They never told me about the codes. I had to go into the dealership, basically do the work myself, figure out what was happening with my car, give myself an update. And even after following up with the dealership 2 times myself without them communicating at all, what happened was I went in, I paid whatever labor charges that they gave me. I'm actually going to show you guys the charges after this clip, and I brought my car home. So what we're going to do now is basically hop in the car, show you guys the codes that it currently has, and tell you guys my game plan. Alrighty, so let's hop in the car real quick. Look, it's already on the codes because I was looking at it, but let's restart it. So we're going to diagnose it. The first code, P0172, which is basically saying that my fuel is running too rich, which is not good at all. And the second code is P0175, which I believe is my O2 sensors. So my O2 sensors are probably dirty, or it could also be in my injectors. And then for the last code is U1140. And another thing too, guys, is you guys have to keep in mind that my car is already over 100,000 miles. If I look at the odometer right now, we're actually at just over 108,000 miles. Keep in mind, this is a 2019, not that I race my car or push it to the limits, but like I said, it is tuned full bolt-on on E85, and you know, sometimes I give it hard pulls, but I don't think it's anything serious because obviously my car's running as I speak, and it's not running like hard or anything. It's able to stay on, but we're gonna hold off on fixing the issue until I come back from my trip, because I'm gonna be leaving in a few days to Europe for my 6-year anniversary with my girlfriend. We will be back at the end of the month, which is exactly why I want to just hold off until I get back, because I don't want my car to be worked on while I'm not here. But until then, we will just be enjoying the trip, and then when I get back, I will address the issue with my car, take it to my tuner, and I believe he'll probably honestly get it done in like a week. So we're looking maybe, I don't know, maybe like after the first week of July, maybe the car will be fixed. But if it's not fixed, I'm just gonna sell it. No, but seriously guys, I'm really over this car having issues. I already replaced all the spark plugs, which was not cheap at all. This car has 16 spark plugs. Do your research, that sounds crazy, but I'm not lying. And then on top of that, I replaced my oil pressure fuel sensor or something like that. And guess how much that costed me? So the part, actually, I can tell you right here. Peep this out. This hurts me so bad to even show you guys, but I paid $87 in parts, right, for that oil pressure sensor, and $900 in labor. You know why? Because they told me that they charge $300 an hour per labor. So they said it took 3 hours to change that one part, coming out to a total of $905 for one part. And you're probably wondering, what if your engine is cooked? Are you gonna rebuild it? Are you gonna buy another motor? Are you gonna Hellcat swap it? What are you gonna do? If this motor inside of my car is bad, I am promising you guys that I am gonna Hellcat swap this car. Or do you guys think that I should just fix this car, fix the issues that it has, and then try to sell it on the street and put that money that I get off of the street and maybe get a Trackhawk or a TRX? On a side note, I'm not too sure how long we're gonna be having this color on for. Next month, I actually am gonna be surprising my girlfriend by wrapping her car pink. So I do want to have my car pink at the same time as her, so that we can kind of have 2 pink cars at the same time. It's a completely different color and shade of pink compared to my car, but I want to just have 2 pink cars next to each other at the same time. I think that'd be really cool before we change this color. While I'm right here, I might as well tell you guys that the car does have a few more issues that are apart from the engine, which kind of suck, that I have to fix when I get back from the trip as well and spend money on. One being, and I think I might even do this before I get the engine checked, because this is like a pretty big issue, is the airbag on the driver's side rear end is basically leaking. So the airbag is cracked, right? The rubber is cracked from it getting brittle over time and filling up and then, you know, decompressing. And so at the bottom of the bag, it's actually cracked, meaning that it's leaking air slowly but surely as you drive and as it's parked. When it's parked, it's not a big deal, obviously, but when you're driving, that's a big deal. Because I can't really drive the car around, I can't even give you guys like POV rides or any videos of that sort with this car and me driving the car, because the check engine light and all the problems that it has, it's unreliable. Like, I can't even take this thing to downtown without having to worry that I'm gonna have to call somebody because it freaking broke down on the side of the road or something, because in reality I shouldn't be driving this car right now. So please bear with me, guys. Give me about a month and I promise you guys the content is gonna be getting better and we're gonna be making better videos with the thick Scat. Right now it's just a little broken and I can't really do much with it. But in the meantime, thank you guys for tuning in. The homies just showed up. We'll see you guys next time. Peace.